Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. So this video is going to be a bit different today. It's not going to be about business. Got to mix it up a bit. So this one's going to be about a bit of value or giving a bit of value. So it's going to be like a Facebook tip that I learned off a good friend, Will Bloom. I've seen this a couple of weeks ago actually, and it made me think about my friends list. So if you've noticed my video the other day, you might notice there's only 324 friends on my friends list. And I'm followed by 600, but what I did have this up a fair bit, but what I've done, I've pretty much cleaned out my friends list. So what I've tried to do is keep people that I'm already friends with, obviously on Facebook pretty well. I know they're interested in making money online. You'd be surprised how many people have actually left the industry, and until you actually go through it all and through your friends list, you're quite shocked who's actually left and who hasn't, who's still around. And obviously, and another thing I noticed in my friends list too, if we click here, actually this is here's Will's profile here. Actually, I'll just load it up. So I've been following Will, I've known Will for like 2 or 3 years, so actually while I'm here, I'll give Will a plug. If anyone's into, or if you're interested in CBD oil through HempWorks or something like that, Will's your guy to go through. Always has good video testimonials and stuff like that, and also does some good lives. So I always support Will with whatever he's doing. So so I definitely know he's into CBD oil. So if you're interested in it, it's booming. Even in Australia, so here's Will. So friend Will, he's probably got a fair lot of friends, I reckon. Yeah, he's up there. So befriend him anyway. And if you're interested, if you're interested in just some good value and some lives, jump on Will's list or his page. But what about? I will say CBD oil. Yeah, CBD oil is massive in Australia. It's becoming massive in Australia. Actually, I heard on the radio today. People were ringing up Talkback Radio, and they're trying to see if they can actually get it in Australia, which obviously I know you can, obviously because of HempWorks and stuff, but it's amazing how many people don't actually, they know about it, but they don't know how to get it, so they don't know if it's legal and stuff, so definitely a market there for anyone that's interested. So anyway, your friends list, right? So you'll be surprised as you go through your friends list, there'll be people without a photo. So straight away, unless I've really known them for a long time, I pretty much, check they're gone. And what else was I going to say? And just checking to see if people are still online. When you go through your friends list, or especially if you've got like 1,000 or 2,000, I can imagine Will when he deals with 5,000. You just got to go through and actually see, because there'll be people there you spoke to like 2 or 3 years ago, and you haven't even heard from them since, but you don't even realise because it's you're just racking up your your friends count. So that's a good way. It's good. The idea is you want everyone to be active on your page. You want to be, obviously, you want people that are engaging with you on a daily basis. And I know I can look at this first 10 right here, right now. I know pretty much, definitely Will. The first 10 definitely I can say are active on my wall, and I'm active on their walls, even right down to the next 16, even the top 20. Definitely Drew, obviously. But yeah, that's my hint for you really today. Because you've got to stay engaged. Now, the idea now, because I've reduced all my numbers now, I've got to rebuild. So, obviously the key to that is to try and find 7 or 10 a day. Don't add any more, you'll probably get Facebook jailed. Facebook jail, pretty much, if you go into it, you'll be spewing because you can't do any posting groups if that's what you do. So if you're in a group that's, you really need to be, on the ball with updates and stuff, that'll, definitely stuff that around for you because you'll be in jail for whatever. It goes from like 1 day to 7 days to whatever. It depends on how many times you've been there, I suppose. And also like the friends requests. See, I've got to go through all my friends requests. I've got so many friend requests to do. So I've got to go through all these as well. And yeah, you're just looking for people that you want. Make sure they're actually active and doing stuff too, as I was saying. But I've got to go through all. I've got so many to go through. So yeah, so I'm going to rebuild all that. And other than that, guys, today I'm it's going to be a short one, really, but I was just showing you that you need to, you really want people engaging with your photo. I mean, even if it's only, see, it's only one, two, oh, so that's me, so it's 1, 2, so it's 18. 18's not bad. I mean, I see people with 5,000, list of 5,000 people, and they can't even get 1 like. So it's just a matter of like having engaged friends, and that are active, engaging on theirs, liking, liking, commenting, sharing. If if you like something that bad, you share it. Share it on their behalf and help them as well. And the liking, definitely liking and commenting is definitely important. And, it's got to go both ways. If it doesn't go both ways, then checker. You might as well, because the more engagement, the more views you get. Okay, on your videos and on your posts in general. Actually, I'll show you another trick. That I know. All right, so. Yeah, no, it won't work for Will. Hang on, I'll have to find someone. Okay, so you got this here, your friends, your close friends, like acquaintances, add to another list, suggest friends. Let's just go, I'll just go back to, I'll just go find someone. So Pamela Ann, sorry, I'm putting you on the video. Oh no, I've got you as friends, hang on. Oh no, yeah, hang on. So you can do it like this, right? See how you can go like this, and you can go following, and you can go see first. Now, if I click that, right, I've already got the maximum, because there's only 30 you can do. So what you do, come back over here. So see how I got for Will. So Will's on a friends where he's a star, all right? So what I've done it so it's close friends, right? So what that does, every time they post, pretty much you get an alert straight away. If you've got it where it's not, so I'm just going to go through here. So I'm going through my friends list. Where is it? Yeah, but see how it's got the tick and it's only got friends? See, it doesn't say get notification. It doesn't, it only says, so if you click close friends, right, then you get the notifications, okay? So it's just a little tip. And, so that's what I've got for you today. Guys, I've been busy. The missus just had her wisdom teeth taken out this morning, well, a couple of hours ago, in the chair too, so brave girl. Most people usually get it. You knock yourself out in the hospital or something. They usually get all your 4 done. So she's got the first top 2 done, and then the 2 bottom ones are going to be in the under. Oh, she's going to go under anyway. So, but yeah, she'll get through it. It's just today and tomorrow she'll probably be suffering a little bit, but she's not the first person to get teeth out. But anyway, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you've learned something, I mean, I hope you have learned something today. It's just a little tip that I've learned, and that's obviously I learned it from Will, from watching Will's life. So hopefully you've learned something from me. Thanks, Will, for showing me how to do it. And guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.